Alright guys, I just fueled up, got air in my tires. I had no idea they're like freakishly low, plus the car is packed down to the nine with all this crap I got for car camping. I think we're finally ready to go. It's 10:29 right now, 10:30, and it'll take about 6 hours, plus there's an hour time difference, so I think that we'll get there around 3 o'clock-ish their time. So let's send it, boys. Woo! Sheesh! I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that pussy. Hey! Yo, the sun finally came out. Holy crap. I was just driving, hit my last rest stop, and I was like, holy crap, the sun decided to shine. Now it's blue skies after raining for most of my drive. It's kind of gloomy, and now I'm like, oh my god, I'm only 42 minutes away, and I'm about to get off this highway, I-10, in 11 miles, so that's pretty exciting. Now I'm gonna get back in the country, get to the state park, and do my thing. I'm like, it kind of like woke me up a little bit. I was getting a little like lethargic, you know, just staring at the road, man. Going 85 miles an hour, then going 60, going 85, then going 60. So it is what it is, but the drive really hasn't been too bad. I think I'm on my second win now. I think I am. We are really close, and it's beautiful out, so I can't wait to get to the campground and check things out. I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, just made it to the camp spot. It was kind of confusing because the map is a little misleading, but as you can tell, there is absolutely nobody here except for me, which is really nice. Man, I lost my voice. It feels like, geez, long car ride, but it was super worth it here. We have camp all set up. Not all set up, but getting there, the grill, and we are cruising. About to set up tent and send it. Let's do it. Good morning, guys. It is day 2. I am in my cozy tent and just woke up, and yeah, we're gonna get the day started and do some fun stuff. I think we're gonna do some kayaking and hiking and gonna get some cool drone footage for you guys, so let's see what happens.
I didn't know what was missing, and I didn't feel like it was summer, and now I feel very
Yeah.
summery.
Nice start. Yeah.
I couldn't just be like, well, you can eat my ass. So it's fine. Not like totally figural, not literal, but like
Yeah.
suck my dick as well too. It's
Yeah.
Hey, no.
Kids, this is why you don't try to catch your drone with your hand, because then you chop it off.